Alright, Glamrock Bonnie, I should be able to finish repairing you in a minute. Thank you for doing this, Gregory. It means so much to me that you were able to repair me. Yeah, it's good to know. You all fixed up? Indubitably, Gregory. Oh, whoops. That was not supposed to happen. Well, let's go. Alright. I'm just gonna lay here for a minute. Alright, let's go. Alright. Here we are. There. Oh, hey, look, it's a mop bot. Hello, I am Mopbot. Huh, don't remember him being there before. Meh, nobody knows where they've been before. Come on. Where are we going? To the daycare. I got banned from there. How? I kind of turned the lights off. You're in there yet. Yoop. Wait, a security bot's in here. Pizza Block has surely changed ever since I was decommissioned. By the way, what actually happened to you? Monty destroyed me. He did? He took I was still alive when he took my glasses. He said, "Sorry, Bonnie, I'm the new bass player now." Then after that, he gave me the final blow. Or at least what he thought was the final blow. Wait, what? What? Cannot compute, cannot compute, cannot compute, cannot compute. Hello? Huh. Nobody's really seen me ever since. By the way, why do you have that little tab on your back? What tab? You've got a little tab at the very top of your back? Oh. I use the recharge stations just like Glamrock Freddy. Speaking of, alright. I'm just gonna recharge real quick. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's go. I wonder if the daycare attendant will recognize me. Is that his name? The daycare attendant? That's his name. Doopity doopity doop doop doop. Wait, how am I gonna get back in? Easy. Since I've got that toy Chica's voice box, I can use the special Chica gate. That's right next to the daycare door. Wait, I didn't know there was one next to the daycare door. Huh. I didn't know that. I didn't see that when I originally went to the daycare. Man, I'm pretty sure they added that. Yabushki. Right. Huh. I didn't know that. Wait. Huh. Huh. You know, every huh. The daycare looks different. Even to me it does. So I see the naughty boy has returned. Hello, naughty boy. Welcome back to the dang it. Welcome back to the daycare. Now I think you know what's going to happen after this. Oh no, the daycare attendant's gonna drop down. This is the daycare attendant's boss fight. Hello there, naughty boy. I know how to do this. Distraction, Yabushki. Arr, clean up. Clean my body. Turn off generators. You got it. Trap. Ow. Oh no, I gotta get these little barrels. Alright. Yabushki. Alright. I just need to turn off all these generators. Alright. Dang it. Out of my way! Oh, jeez. Ay. Dang it. Alright. There, too much clean. Oh, time to go back to the top. There's the naughty boy. Time to drop down once again. Where the heck did my ragdoll go? Dang it, I need that ragdoll. Where the heck did it go? Oh, there it is. Oh, there you are. Oh no! Fall over! Chink! How many more generators do I gotta get? 1, 2. That's it? Only 2 generators left? Wait, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 generators left. Noisemakers! Oh, brr. Ah, okay. There. Alright. Daycare attendant hasn't been really much of a opponent. I've got 3 left. Whoa, what the? Whoa! Did I just get teleported up here? That was not supposed to happen. What the? Yerp! Almost every time you turn on a generator, there's a chance I'll attack. Oh, dang it. Wachoo! Whoa! Ouch! Ouch! Oy. Oh no. Where did I get going down the slide? Where did Gregory go? What the? Where'd it go? It is a sun, but where did Gregory go? Where'd it go? Where'd he go? What the? Where did Gregory go? Nope. Where did it come from? Oh no, alright. Jump. Yippooski. Wait. Oh no. It's the Daycare attendant again. Oh no. Jump! Jump! Yeah, there we go. Generators. Hey, come back here, you naughty boy. Throw this generator on you, you little naughty boy. Naughty boy, naughty boy, naughty children must be punished. I just want to test something real quick. You are in for a world of pain. You booski. Oh no. What the? Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay, he took care of that generator for me. Okay, good. Naughty children must be punished. Wait, what the? I'm gonna start in the real boss fight. I would throw random daycare objects at you, but for some reason I can't spawn them in without doing a cut, so I'm just gonna throw random items at you. Like Monty Mystery Mix! Darn it. Daycare passes. No fur. Where's the paint cans? Paint cans go burr. Ouch. Oh. Okay. Ow. God. Ouch. Ow. Naughty boy. You must be punished. I'm going back up on my hook because I'm going back with more things. And last one, ka-chink. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh noes, oh noes. Oy. Uh, oh no. I'm stuck. I'm gonna have to detach. Drop down, daycare attendant, and I'll catch you. Are you sure? I don't want to die early. Alright, I'm just gonna throw this generator. Yeet! No! No! Well, there we go. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if all these generators exploded. Wow. Wow. I did not expect that to happen. Can't believe all the generators just exploded like that. Jeez. Oh gosh! Ah, there, I caught you. Now, crouch! Bunny hop! That's an awesome power Glamrock body. It indeed is. Now, what are we gonna do with him? Please don't get rid of me. I'm the daycare attendant. I had to turn off like 20 generators to defeat you. Please don't hurt me. I swear I won't do anything bad again. Please. Please. Please, I don't want to die. Wait, what? What? I'm separated. Finally. Oh, slap. Alright, I'll be your friend. Just please don't hurt me anymore. Sure. You're a good guy, Daycare. Please, call me son. Okay, but you're a good guy, son. It's just that you need to not ban people for accidentally turning off lights. Oh yeah, sorry about that, kiddo. Still surprised that all those generators blew up. I still don't know why that happened. Meh, your railing system failed. Alright, we need to get down from here. We slide. Ooh. gonna slide down this slide. Slide into fun. My catchphrase. Ah! Alright, let's leave the daycare before that moon man gets us. Yeah, and it doesn't matter if the lights go out anymore because I'll always beat the sun. Ouch. Alright. My glasses. Oh boy, they feel weird. Yeah. Hey. Wait, what happened? Where are my glasses? Probably lost them in the ball pit. Dang it! Oh, I just had an idea. You know how Monty destroyed me? Oh yeah. Wait, hold on. Monty destroyed you? Yeah, he stole my glasses. Well, we need to go kill Monty. That's a good idea. Yay! Never thought I would hear the daycare attendant say that. Alright, so... Wait, so why exactly did we come all the way out here? Because this is where Monty used to hang out. Doesn't he hang out as a gator golf a lot? He does, but he hangs out here too. Oh! Wait, I gotta hide. Okay, I'm not here. Oh, hey there, daycare attendant. How's it going? There you are. Hey, he's with me. Now, if you try and kill him, I'll slit your throat. What in the name of this coffin? No, speaking of how you lifted up your glasses, I believe those are mine. Oh, I thought I destroyed you. When you hit me with the quote-unquote final blow, I was still alive. Gregory found parts and repaired me. Why, that little... Ouch! Oh, darn you! Monty Claus, go! Wait, what the? Yep. What the? Your claws don't penetrate me. Whoop, I'm dead. Ouch! Oh, thank you. Darn you. I don't want to die. Ouch. Ouch. Sorry, Monty, but you got what you deserve. Right? Yep. I feel bad for Monty. Really? You feel bad for him? Come here, little rat! Oh. Come here, you little brat. Hey, woo! Oh, little brat. Oh no. Not on my watch. Oh, come on, really? I was able to. Thank you. Hey, I hate these. Okay, use it. Monty! Oh no. Yoshi. Ooh, that should be the last we ever see of Monty. Right, guys? I mean, he's dead, I think. I mean, almost. Nobody's dead for long, right? Oh. Alright, I've had enough of this. Alright. Well, time to have some adventures in the Pizzaplex. Yeah! We need to find Freddy and the others. Oh, Foxy and Pika. Freddy. What? Is it Foxy? Well, time to do the search for Glamrock Foxy next. Coming soon.